Before we start, I wanted to show you this cute clay dog I've made earlier. It's a playful touch that adds a bit of personality to any space. If you'd like to see how I made this clay dog, make sure to check out my clay tutorial video. Link is in the description below. Now let's jump into our watercolor session from this beautiful book. Today we are painting a couple of adorable watercolor dogs. Simple, fun and full of character. For sketching the dogs, we'll begin by sketching the outline for our dogs. Start with the basic shape. Just keep it simple and let's do the base layer of our painting. For the small dog, use a darker grey tone and leave a few areas lighter to suggest natural highlights. This base layer will give us a solid foundation to build up texture and details. For the bigger dog, I mix light beige tone and apply a soft wash over the body. Once the base layer is dry, it's time to add personality with fair texture and spot. For the grey dog, use a darker grey to define the fur, adding short strokes around the ears and tails to show fluffiness. For the spotted dog, use a mix of brown and orange to create a regular spot along the body. For fair texture, use a small, quick brush stroke with a slightly darker tone along the edge of the legs and back. To bring our dogs to life and give them a bit of character, we're going to do expressive faces. For the eyes, use a small brush and black paint to create tiny dots. Add a little nose and a simple curved line for the mouth. For our spotted dog's tail, add a few more strokes to show movement. You can also enhance the fair texture with a fine brush for added dimension. It's time for final touches. Step back and look at your painting. If you feel any area need more definition, add a few extra details. Sometimes the smallest touch, like a tiny whisker or a little shadow under the chin, can make a big difference. And there we have two charming watercolor dogs, full of personality and funny. I love how simple details can bring so much life to a painting. Don't forget to check out my clay dog tutorial if you want to make your own cute dog figures. Let me know in the comments which dog you like the best. And if you'd like to see more watercolor and clay projects, thanks for joining me. Happy painting!